Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I would like to talk to you about how to determine a proportion. All right, so we actually 3D printed some pieces, not this one. This is the size that we wanted it to be. We wanted it to fit our chessboard. And this one just barely fits those spots, the 1.5 inch squares that we have on our chessboard. We printed some that were quite a bit bigger. They were actually 1.9375 inches in diameter. So they were a little bit big. So we needed to figure out how to shrink those. So we did a proportion. An easy way to do a proportion is to cross multiply and then divide. So the way that looks is we knew we wanted our piece to be 1.5 inches in diameter to fit those squares on our chessboard. So our actual measurement goes over what we want. This is equal to 100%. When we brought them in from the CAD file, it was 100% size. And that equals, I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. That equals 1.9375 inches in diameter. So we want the proportion this equal to this, but we don't know this. We don't know what percentage this is. So the way we find that out is we cross multiply and then divide. So the way that looks is we take 1.5 times 100%, and then that gives us a number, and then we divide that by 1.9375, and that gave us 77%. So when we reprint these, we're going to shrink them down to 77%, and they should print just fine. Thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. I appreciate it. Make sure to work hard, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.